Buying Bitcoin can be a bit on the high side, but what if you could get it for free? There are 3 major ways to get Bitcoin. You could buy it with money, get customers to give you Bitcoin when you sell goods or services, and you can also earn it through mining. But the catch is you need money or a product to do this. Luckily, we found a secret way around that. Today, we have 3 incredible websites to share with you where you can mine Bitcoin for free and get it to your wallet without any difficulty. We'll also be dropping some special bonus tips throughout the video, which will increase your earnings massively. So be sure to stick with us till the end. With that said, let's dive into the video. Before we talk about the websites, do you know what a wallet is? We don't mean the wallet you carry around in your pocket all day, but a platform where you can keep your coins and get them whenever you want. If you have one already, that's great. But if you don't, it is a good idea to create one before you start using any of these websites. One of the most popular wallets people use is the Coinbase wallet, and creating one for yourself is pretty easy. On your browser, you can search for Coinbase Wallet and click on the first search result you see. It will take you to this page where you can download the Coinbase Wallet extension on your laptop and use it there. But if you want it on your phone, you can go to Google Play Store or Apple Store and search for Coinbase Wallet. Click on Install and boom, you can start using the app. Another great wallet you can use is Trust Wallet. And just like Coinbase, you can download it on your phone through the Apple Store or Play Store. It doesn't have a PC version yet, but they probably have something in the works already. To get the right wallet, type trustwallet.com in your browser and download the one that suits you best. Do you already have a wallet? Let us know which one you like in the comments below and get the conversation started. Now that we have sorted out the wallet business, let's talk about the first website you are going to use to make money online by mining Bitcoin. CryptoBrowser.site is a completely legit and flexible solution where you can get Bitcoin by surfing the internet. Yes, it sounds unbelievable, but it is completely true. How does this work? This crypto tab is essentially a browser that you have to download on your phone or laptop and use to surf the internet. While you are checking out the latest news and info, the browser works in the background and starts mining Bitcoin. The longer you use it, the more coins you get, and you can increase your earnings by getting people to join the website. You also get a commission when the people you refer bring others to the platform. It is a non-stop way to earn crypto. If you are using your phone and you click on the download button here, it will take you to where you can download the browser. If you are using a laptop, you can just install it on your laptop. With this website, you are literally earning Bitcoin on autopilot. Won't that be fun? Another fun website we are going to share with you is freecash.com. And like the name says, you will be getting free cash. Well, not free cash exactly, because you have to do some simple tasks here and there. Freecash.com is a website that connects advertisers to users. Advertisers will give you tasks to do like watching videos, downloading apps that you can delete later, playing games, joining a website, and taking surveys. For these tasks, the advertisers will pay free cash. And guess what happens next? You get paid a commission for your efforts. With freecash.com, you can earn up to $1,000 a month. And if you want to see how much others are earning with this, scroll down to the frequently asked questions section and select this option that says, how much money can you really earn on free cash? There you can see the leaderboard and get an idea of how much people are earning from this. The best part is, they have one of the lowest withdrawal thresholds you can ever find, and they will pay you with Bitcoin. Just imagine that. To sign up, you can click on this green sign up button over here and fill in your email, username, and password. If you have a Steam account or Google account, you can also use that to create an account with them and start earning some Bitcoin. At the time of this video, there is a special bonus for new users, and you can win up to $250 the minute you join the app. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the website now to create your account and claim the bonus. After becoming a user, you can start doing tasks immediately. And if you get up to 1,000 coins in 48 hours, you can get a sign-up bonus 3 more times and increase the amount you can earn from this website. Don't worry, there are a lot of tasks for you to do, and there are a good number of points attached to each task. You will have those 1,000 points in no time. And now for the special bonus tip you've all been waiting for, and this time we are going to show you something fun that you can do to get some coins in your wallet. Have you ever heard of Crypto Popcoin? Well, if you haven't, you know it now. CryptoPopcoin.com is a website that actually pays you in crypto for winning puzzle games. The more you play, the more coins you earn, and you can get the app on Google Play Store and the Amazon App Store. To make it even better, there are no restrictions because you can use it no matter where you are and just keep earning. Now, back to our list. The next website we are about to share with you is one of the easiest ways you can get free crypto. It won't pay you in Bitcoin directly, but the coins it gives you can be exchanged for Bitcoin on any crypto platform. This website is Brave.com. Brave.com is a browser just like Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you use, and it claims to be faster than Chrome. When you use it, it will block out all sorts of ads you don't want to see and give you the utmost privacy when browsing. You can also save passwords, bookmark websites, and import extensions from your old browser into this one. But we are not really concerned with all that, and our main focus here is the rewards. We are going to take a quick tour of the website and scroll down a bit until we get to this section that says Brave Rewards. From the small description under it, you can earn crypto tokens for your attention by choosing to see some ads specially selected by the website. They are not going to be spamming you with it because you can decide for yourself how frequently you want to get those ads. There are no pop-up ads to disturb you when browsing, and when there are ads for you to watch, you will get a notification, and you can decide to watch it whenever you are free. Oh, and under that section, they mention that they have a crypto wallet, and if you haven't created a wallet yet, you can just save any of the coins you get here. Or you can keep the rewards from the website here and wait for it to grow a bit before you send it to your main wallet. You can do absolutely anything you want. We are going to click on this link under Brave Rewards, and you will immediately be redirected to this page. Apart from crypto, you can also get cash gift cards if you want. Just a little side note here before we continue. The website was originally created to help creators and websites. So if you want to support any creator or website you love, you can give them tips through Brave Awards. That's pretty amazing if you ask me. Now back to the issue at hand. On the new homepage, there is a button right at the top that says Download Brave. If you are using an Android phone, clicking on the button will immediately take you to Google Play Store, where you can download the app on your phone. For the laptop users, clicking on the button will also take you to another page where you can download the browser extension on your laptop. It is available for Windows and Mac OS, so you can use it regardless of what type of laptop you have. The Brave browser itself has a version for iPhones, but the Brave Rewards we are working with isn't present for iPhones. But we did a little digging around and found that they may be working on something for iPhones, and they will soon be able to earn free crypto. These websites are easy and legit ways you can earn free Bitcoin every day, wherever you are and whenever you want, with no hassle at all. Which of these sites did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below.